Alright, y'all. A lot of work in progress is happening. Still got to tune a little bit, but I mean, she's coming along, boys.